I'm not against Nandi. I genuinely respect her opinion. Mara Nandi wale fora. Majita Nandi wale fora. Men are going through a lot. Men must go through a lot. Men are here to suffer so that women can have it easy. Nandi is married to Zex Bantwini. Why Patel and Twila Zex? Zex why Patel and Twila, he make things happen. And now we're not going to be motivated by the fact that the system is against men, and now men went through a lot in this country. Now we must subject ourselves to poverty. Never. We must work so that women can have it easy. Women want money. Whether you are trying or you don't try, women want money. Whether you are rich or poor. Zex Bantwini is charging more than 100K a set, 1 hour. Nandi is married to Zex Bantwini. Why Patel and Twila Zex? You couldn't go for a random guy. Women can just decide to say, I want a broke guy so that I can suffer. All women in South Africa, they are meant to drive Porsche. There's guys with money and women want that guy with money. It's how it is. My brother, this thing here system here, hey, men are going through a lot because the system is against men. Women go for the guy with the money, not with the guy with the good heart. With saying, I love you, I love you. I love you doesn't pay the bill, bro. And then now she's telling our sisters not to go for the guy with money. And say men are going through a lot. We're not here to be soft boys or soft men. We must work and suffer so that women can have it easy. Whether you're going through a lot or not, women want money. Zex Bantwini, Cheltaya or Samaya Jigidliwala. So our sisters must also have that money, Zex Bantwini. Sharp. Bye-bye.